everyone, so this is the follow-up video on the Bissell Proheat Revolution Pet Pro. Last week I made the video on how I go about cleaning my carpets with my tips and tricks that work for me. And then this week I am going to show you how I go about cleaning the machine after I'm done so that it stays fresh and clean for the next time. So I make sure that this top reservoir still has plenty of water with cleaning solution in it, and that the bottom reservoir still has room to suck up the dirty water off the carpet. I also make sure to have a clean towel on hand and this wand that comes with the machine to clean the inside of it. Okay, so first I start this process by making sure the machine is on max clean, and then I'm going to pick an area of carpet that I've already cleaned, and I'm going to do 2 sweeps with the trigger down to spray the clean water and cleaning solution down. And then I'm going to do 2 sweeps not pressing the trigger so it just sucks up that clean water off the floor. This is with the idea that there'll be a lot of clean water going through the machine to really clean out that hair and dirt that's gotten stuck in there, especially on the bottom, on the bristles. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that with the machine on. A few cycles of going back and forth to really suck up some clean water through the machine to get all that dirt and hair out, and now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took off both reservoirs and put those in the sink to get them out of the way, and then I'm just going to dry and kind of wipe out anything that might be in these compartments. Okay, then the next step is going to be to take off the 2 layers that are on the bottom of the machine. So I'm going to pull up this purple tab and then just pull this straight off and set it to the side. Then I'm going to push, and these 2 little things they push them, and then this pops off as well. And that's something I really like about this machine, is how you can take off these 2 layers to clean out all the hair that gets stuck there. And then now I'm just going to wipe off this bottom part to get any hair off and to dry it really well. That way when I put it away in the closet, it's not going to drip on anything. Okay, so now I've got those 2 pieces that we just took off the machine, and I'm just going to rinse them out to get all the hair off of them. And this is super easy, it just washes right off. And then for this top part, this is where the cleaning tool comes in handy. This little wand that comes with the Bissell is actually meant to push out the hair from this inner chamber. So I don't know if you could see that, but it pushed the hair right out very well and cleans it to those hard to reach areas. I'm just going to push it down kind of where the hair is, and then it pushes it right out of the plastic piece. And then I also like to wash this off really well after I clean out that inner chamber. So now I'm just going to clean out this bottom reservoir. As you can tell, there's a ton of junk that came up off the carpets. So you just use this back little plug, undo it, and you can pour it all down the drain. Super gross. And then on the bottom of the reservoir is a part that you can screw off, because look at all that dirt that's still stuck in here, and we need to wash that out. I'm going to unscrew that. And now I'm just going to rinse this out really well. I really like how Bissell makes it easy to unattach all the parts so that you can rinse everything out so that there's no hidden areas of dirt. And then for this top reservoir, there's not too much cleaning involved, but I do like to just rinse it off real fast. And there you have it, super easy. I just let everything air dry on the counter for a little bit before I hand dry it, and it's good to put away. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.